Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to screen record on your Samsung phone if you missing this option. So don't upset, I'm provide how can easily get back screen record option. So simply go to your control center, press on. As you can see, showing it to screen recorder option, but some devices missing this option. Like remove this. At first time remove screen record. Okay, alright, and let's go to fix. Go to my control center, press on pen icon, press on edit. At first need to add screen record option. Just find here to screen recorder, tap on to add screen recorder option, press on done. Already add screen recorder in this section. Again just long press, then showing it to settings option. You can easily customize screen recorder. Okay, or if you want to record screen, just tap on, then you get record sound option, no media and microphone. Press on to start recording. Now start my screen record. Showing it pen option, easily mark any point and enable or disable to your face, push and stop. Recording saved. I'm just checking my gallery, record this screen. So that's it.